What's going on?
Oh my gosh, and the wind is really bad.
I don't know if you guys can see, but we're inside the building. It is crazy raining outside. The wind is crazy. The whole floor is filled with water as it's shooting through the windows. It's so stinking loud. Like, it's awesome that it's raining in the middle of May, but this is crazy. Like,
the transformer is gone. Now we know
we have no power because the transformer just blew. It is wild. Whatever this is, unplug this. Even though we have no electricity, this is crazy. Our poor animals. Our poor buffaloes over there. Guys, what about the buffaloes? The buffaloes are standing out and you know they're crazy. Keep the gate shut because if they get out, they're going to run. Wow. This is like, I've been through 2 hurricanes and this is very similar. There's some trees that aren't going to make it through this. Holy moly. Unbelievable. This came on without a warning. So we're battening down the hatch. Pray for us.